Design thinking. The term means different things to different people. But whatever the perspective, in reality, design thinking is all about the end user.
We are proud to say that design thinking has become a culture in the organization. Everyone understands and talks the language of design thinking. The Unmukt philosophy, preparing the design mind, that's where the journey started. Right? How does a mind think design thinking? And from there, we have reached to a stage today where across LOBs, we keep seeing success stories of applying design thinking, be it to show to the customer the unstated requirements, the possibility of unstated requirements that would come up, show to the customer the journey, the user journeys that the product is capable of, or coming up with a path-breaking offering to the customer that is so future-focused that they are not even able to comprehend, but excited.
At Intellect, every associate is indoctrinated to the concept of design thinking right during introduction. From concepts to processes to tools and even to spaces, design thinking is manifest across all aspects of Intellect.
What we have done at Intellect is very unique. We have taken design thinking that the rest of the world follows and split it into two. Design the thinking. Yes, you heard it right. It's design the thinking, which is a copyright work of ours. And then thinking the design. Because for us, design thinking, it all starts with the mindset. That's the only way you will build a culture around it. Therefore, we have to design the thinking of the team, of every stakeholder, just not the team, every stakeholder. And when it comes to preparing the design mind, which is basically design the thinking, it revolves around again copyrighted work of the 13 musical notes, as we call it. You all will be familiar with it now. Sapia, decaf and val, which is basically the competency quotient of Sapia, skills, expertise, perspective, idea, alignment. The emotional quotient of doubt, conflict, anger, fear and ego. And finally, the capacity quotient of vulnerability, appreciation, and limiting belief. For us, using these 13 elements, using the 13 musical notes, helps in preparing the mind to apply design thinking.
And this thought is best exemplified in its edifice to design thinking, 8012 Fintech Design Center, the world's first design center dedicated to financial technology. The numbers 8012 are the geographical coordinates of the building. The Design Center is not only recognized as the epicenter of design thinking, but as a place of co-creation that involves all stakeholders to play a crucial role on a single platform to envision a holistic solution catering to needs of the fintech ecosystem. This approach of co-creation has helped shift Intellect from the pedestal of being a service provider to a fintech product leader to reckon with. Our customers don't see us today as only a vendor, but as collaborators and partners in growth. The three key stakeholders for any fintech collaboration are business, operations, and technology. 8012 Fintech Design Center has dedicated spaces within to focus and sharpen each of these aspects through co-creation as the underlying approach for designing great products. The operations space's specially designed role-play area provides a more empathetic perspective while working on the nitty-gritties of the solution. This space acts as an enabler to demonstrate the proof of concept while working on the fintech solutions which satisfies the user need of different customer roles. The technology space provides a seamless experience across devices and platforms and is crucial to enhance the end-user experience. This space enables our associates and customers to work on the applications across different hardware platforms and leverage it for customer demonstrations. This space has been witnessing to some of the state-of-the-art technologies developed by Intellect. Exciting gamification events too have helped us to find developer rapport with our customers. The business space includes different spaces, such as the magnetic wall and 9-screen wall, that help customers to envision the business aspects of the solution. The indigenous 9-screen display technology helps them to compare different flavors of application and choose the best of functionalities out of them. In true essence, customers are empowered to decide what is best suited for their needs. We had the privilege to closely engage with the leadership team of various banks through impactful and immersive design thinking workshops. These design thinking workshops have helped us solve complicated banking problems for our customers. 8012 has been a host to who's who of banking and fintech across the world. Design thinking doesn't just stop at intellect. We take it beyond fintech through the School of Design Thinking. Stay tuned to know more in subsequent episode of iNews.